Have you ever considered how much fragrances contribute to our daily lives? The power of scent is remarkable, often evoking vivid memories, enhancing our moods, and even offering therapeutic benefits. The source of these delightful scents? Well, more often than not, it's the world of aromatic plants. You might be surprised to learn just how many aromatic plants are out there, each offering their unique fragrances. Let's start with lavender. Its calming scent is a favorite in aromatherapy, helping to soothe the mind after a long day. Then there's rosemary, not just a culinary staple, but also a fragrant addition to any garden, its piney scent lingering in the air. And let's not forget the sweet aroma of jasmine, a key ingredient in many perfumes. These are just a few examples. The world of aromatic plants is vast and diverse, and the best part is that many of these can be grown right in your own backyard. Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a symphony of captivating scents. It's not just about visual beauty, but engaging all our senses. Isn't it fascinating how these plants not only beautify our gardens, but also enrich our lives with their captivating fragrances? Cultivating an aromatic garden is a gratifying journey, one that engages all your senses. The rich, earthy aroma, the feel of soil between your fingers, and the sight of blooming flowers. It's a sensory delight that also offers stress relief and physical exercise. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a symphony of scents. Quite the dream, isn't it? Aromatic gardens truly are a fragrant paradise, wouldn't you agree? We've journeyed through the power of fragrances, explored aromatic gardens, and shared the joy of gardening. Let these insights inspire you to delve deeper into the world of aromatic plants and perhaps cultivate your own fragrant haven. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and do subscribe to our channel for more such enriching content. Until next time, may your life be filled with delightful fragrances.